Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a damaged or wore out model 901188 high power cable with emitter point that's used on X-Air's model 8192 Gen 4 Super Ion Air Cannon. First, turn off the power supply, then gently unplug the modular plug from the power supply. Then remove the bayonet end of the high-powered cord from the power supply. Turn the compressed air to your 8192 air cannon to the off position. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the two screws that hold the high-power cable and the emitter point to the air cannon and set the screws aside. Now you can remove the high power cable with emitter point from the air cannon. Take the new high power cable assembly and carefully align the emitter point and screw holes to the air cannon and tighten the two screws securing the high power cable assembly back to the air cannon. Now that the new high power cable and emitter point is assembled to the air cannon, you can secure the bayonet to the power supply. Make sure the hex swivel fitting is fully seated against the power supply. Reconnect the modular plug back into the power supply and turn it on. This procedure will also work on the Gen 4 models 8193 air gun and model 8194 ion air jet. If you have any questions with this or any X-Air product, please contact one of our application engineers.